imagine that 100 years later we would get a Benito who is completely different from the Benito of Second World War.
The recent Super Bowl 60 performance of Bad Bunny has caused a lot of discussions around using joy as resistance. So get ready with me while I talk around that topic as I go and study for my finals exam. The Latin American culture is so rooted in community, parties, playing games with each other, as we see in the opening scene of the Super Bowl. The old people are playing dominoes. We are talking about joy, highlighting the joys together. So he countered what is known or perceived as all American. Asides the linguistic factor that he performed the entire of the show in Spanish, it's much more than that. Puerto Rico has been a part of America as its territory since 1898. There has to be no need to reclaim their identity as American. There is so much violence against immigrants regarding that issue. So what Bad Bunny is doing is reclaiming their identity, which they did not needed to reclaim in the first place, through joy. And in the whole of Super Bowl, even if you won't understand a lick of Spanish, you would be vibing. An actual wedding took place in the Super Bowl. The opening scene of the Super Bowl was sugarcane field, which had real people. So is the scene of rural India. At the same time, also talking about the gentrification, which is something that I have also been wondering about. Like, have you seen the rise of supermarkets in every other neighborhood, especially in city areas? And what happened to, good old grocery stores? The short film of DTMF also kind of explores this gentrification that's happening in Puerto Rico. We are seeing this in the urbanizing effect in India as well, where people are getting more and more isolated. The thing is that we have been focusing so much on the fractured nature of our society that we are forgetting and that beneath the fractures there are several ties which are holding us together, and that is the very crux of using joy as resistance. When it comes to the whole continent of America, it's actually very much applicable in the country of India, which is so diverse in and of itself. The only time he spoke English was when he spoke 3 words: God bless America. He proceeded to give the orange man geography lesson as he went on to list every country that is in the continent of America, which happens much like in Africa. Like, Africa is a big continent. The way IShowSpeed has been portraying America, it is moving people to tears. Bad Bunny genuinely reminds me of Zubin Garg, who is so proud of his Ohumia identity. I hope I said it correctly. Would have imagined that 100 years later we would get a Benito who is completely different from the Benito of, Second World War.